Welcome back again to this edition of Mill Creek Range. So from my previous video, I showed my Winchester Model 94 AE in 45 Colt, as well as a Ruger new model Vaquero in 45 Colt as well. And today I wanted to bring out my tailoring company, Uberti manufactured Winchester Model 1873, chambered in 44 WCF, or more commonly called 4440. And this one here I bought at a gun show, and I had already at that time owned a original Winchester Model 73, which is this next month it'll be 144 years old. And so I was walking through the show and seen this one here that a gentleman had. He had been involved inside a cowboy action shooting, and he was getting out of it due to his age. And he had bought it, and so when he had ordered this particular rifle, he got it with the sporting stock on it, which has got the pistol grip, and it's short-stroked. So it's short-stroked, and it's also got what's called the Cody-Matic in it. Not read too much on that. I did talk to Taylor and Company about it, and seen the action's been polished up, slicked up. It's basically a race gun. So anyway, I bought it, and to complement it, I have now my Cimarron Model MP523, which is also chambered inside a 44 WCF. It is made on the Sweat Bee. It's made on the black powder frame, so it's got the bullseye ejector, and it's got the screw that holds the pin for the cylinder. So, and again, like I said, it is chambered inside of 44 WCF. So these are the two guns that we're going to be shooting today. Unlike the other video where I shot some black powder, today is just going to be all smokeless. And yeah, I'm going to see on this part of the range, I'm going to shoot a few different plates, just have a little bit of fun, try to keep it as short as possible. But it's been a while since I've shot this particular rifle here, and might stretch it out later on to 100 yards, see what I can do with it. But right now we're only about, I'm going to say maybe 30, close to 40 yards here from the plate rack. And then if I hit the one target here up on the far left, that one's probably a good 40, maybe even 45 yards to it from this standpoint. So anyway, hope everybody's having a good day, and we'll see you here shortly. Okay, let's see what this old girl here can do. She is slick. There's a little sweat bee just persistently bothering me, but that's okay. Oh, missed a small one. There we go. And that's it. Ran good. Hope we don't get some rain. Here's some thunder. Be right back. Can't let a little rain hinder a little bit of shooting. And I missed that one. Got one left. And that's it. So yeah, this here's definitely been a typical day here in Alabama past few weeks. Of course, I've been gone most of the time, but you know, be a nice pretty sunny day, then all of a sudden the storm clouds rolls in, and it could be a light shower, it could be a very heavy downpour. So I'm going to knock these last few rounds off and call it a day. And so let's see how the old rifle shoots again. Ah. And that's that for the rifle. And here comes the wind, just a blowing. Let's get this last bit in. I'll say the wind blew me off target there. And again, come on now. There we go. And that's it. Well, folks, yeah, it's fixing to come up a storm. So, y'all have a good day. Keep your powder dry. I'm going to try to get my guns in before it rains. And hope to see y'all on down the trail sometime. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye. And within about 10 minutes, the rain started falling on the range.